Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth beauty reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to do more than just hydrate your skin. It's Philosophy's ultimate miracle worker. This product claims to target the visible signs of aging and help improve the skin's overall texture. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. Philosophy's ultimate miracle worker is a powerful anti-aging moisturizer that packs a punch with a blend of glycolic acid, a well-known ingredient in skincare for its exfoliating properties. Glycolic acid works to slough off dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion underneath. This is especially important for those of us looking to fight fine lines, wrinkles, and dull skin, all things that often come with aging. With this product, Philosophy aims to deliver a smoother, more youthful appearance without invasive procedures. The product promises not only to improve texture, but also to give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. In my personal testing, I incorporated this cream into my evening routine after cleansing and toning. The texture is rich but not overly heavy, which I appreciated. It has a subtle, almost clean fragrance that didn't overwhelm my senses, which is ideal for those with sensitive skin. Upon application, it felt soothing and absorbed quickly without leaving any greasy residue. I was pleasantly surprised by how soft my skin felt the next morning, and after a few weeks, I noticed a slight improvement in the texture of my skin. The fine lines around my eyes seemed a little less pronounced, and my complexion appeared brighter overall. Now let's get into the pros and cons of this product. On the positive side, the glycolic acid is a key ingredient that can effectively help exfoliate the skin. It's suitable for people who want to add a little extra exfoliation to their skincare routine without needing an intensive scrub. The formula is also gentle enough for daily use, so you don't need to worry about irritation as long as you're not overdoing it. Another pro? The packaging is practical. The pump design makes it easy to dispense just the right amount of product, avoiding waste. On the flip side, the price point of this product may be a downside for some. It's not the most affordable option in the market, especially when compared to similar products that offer glycolic acid. If you're on a budget, you might find similar results with other glycolic acid-based products that are less expensive. Also, while the product claims to be an anti-aging powerhouse, the visible results may take time. If you're expecting instant results, this might not be the best product for you. So, when it comes to value for money, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you're willing to invest in a high-quality, gentle exfoliating moisturizer, this could be a great addition to your skincare routine. However, if you're just looking for a quick fix or something more budget-friendly, you might want to look at alternatives. In terms of build quality, Philosophy has done a good job with the packaging. The pump design is hygienic and efficient. As for longevity, it's hard to comment on long-term effects after only a few weeks of use, but I will say that my skin feels more moisturized and looks more even, so I'm optimistic about continued use. If you're curious about customer support, I've had no personal interactions with Philosophy's customer service for this product. But in general, Philosophy is known for responsive customer service and a solid return policy should you have any issues. As for product alternatives, if the price of the ultimate miracle worker feels too steep, there are plenty of other glycolic acid creams out there that offer similar results at a lower price. One option worth considering is the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution, which is more affordable and delivers great exfoliation with consistent use. In conclusion, Philosophy's ultimate miracle worker is a solid anti-aging moisturizer that incorporates glycolic acid to help exfoliate and brighten the skin. While it's not the most affordable option, it's a good choice for anyone looking for a reliable, gentle product to improve skin texture and radiance. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, though, there are other glycolic acid-based products that provide similar benefits. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.